Dear brothers and sisters of light, this is your friend and guide, Buddha. I am pleased to be able to speak to you again and welcome you to the 105th lecture at NAMAS University. We are the spiritual university of the earth and the galaxy and prepare ambassadors of light for their tasks. The world as we knew it will soon no longer exist. Outdated structures are collapsing, literally dissolving before our eyes to make room for structures that vibrate in harmony with the divine plan. This global change will also be felt in your physical bodies. Your energy portals, chakras, meridians, cells, and mitochondria will be capable of receiving, processing, and releasing much more energy than ever before. This adjustment is now in full swing. In order to be able to step safely and powerfully into the new era, we must shed all our baggage. We cannot take any of our old baggage with us into the new era. Today, I would like to sensitize you to cleanse, purify, and realign your bodies. It is important that you walk through the golden gate into the new era together with your bodies and thereby adorn them, elevate and refine them. It is more important than ever that you love, respect, and nourish your bodies. Much has happened in the past. The energies are transforming your bodies, restructuring them, and you will soon have an etheric body that will guide you safely through multidimensional time. You are loved. Self-empowerment is key. You are powerful. Today, I will offer you a meditation. This meditation will nourish and strengthen your connection to your body so that you can move into your divine temple. To do this, set the intention to be connected to your bodies now. Remain open and curious to get to know it in a completely new way. Sit comfortably and upright. Connect with my Buddha energy and feel seen and fulfilled by me. Breathe in deeply and tenderly through your nose. Gently touch your heart space with this in-breath wave and let your hands slide into your lap as you breathe out with an inner sigh of relief. As you continue to breathe calmly, relax your heart space even more. The energy of depth and serenity spreads through you. Observe, feel. See how you ground your etheric body completely into your physical body. I am you. You are me. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth and smile. The wisdom of the universe guides you. Your every cell reflects the wisdom of the universe. And you feel how your entire body and each of your cells shine and sparkle like diamonds. Every single thought, every spoken word is reflected thousands and millions of times in your cells. And so, feel yourself from a field of absolute calm. Feel how your cells smile at you and how they begin to speak to you. Listen. Give thanks with all your heart. Give thanks and let the echo revolve in your body, resounding in every single space, room, corner. Go even deeper into the scene and feel your body as a temple. How does it show itself to you? Open, widen, expand the space in your temple so that you can walk in it in freedom and love. Open all the windows and doors and let the light of the new era flow through every corner. You are ready for your new body. Now, now, now. Feel the light. Let it warm you and let it heal you. You are and always will be loved. Bow in reverence and gratitude for the body that has been gifted to you. Bow to all change and humbly accept what happens. If there is pain, accept it with humility. If there are problems, accept them. And you may ask yourself, how do I heal my body? What can I do if I keep suffering? Listen carefully, beloved child. You are now receiving the blessing of humility, gratitude, acceptance, and with these qualities come the gift of absolute healing and the gift of receiving a completely new body. Take your time, feel the energies, bathe in them. They release what you no longer need and clear you on all levels. Feel the glow and vibration of your cells one more time. Feel and see how everything is rearranged and restructured harmoniously within you. Your physical body is being rebuilt. It is done. It is done. It is done. I thank you for being here today and bow to you. This lecture by Lord Buddha was received by Natina Parada and voiced by Deborah Lee Flynn. All study materials and more information can be found below the podcast and on our website, namasyuniversity.org. This brings us to another exciting announcement. On April 12th and 26th, 2025, we will conduct English-speaking online healing circles with Katharina Adari, the Cosmic Mother, and Mother Mary, among other forces of light. In these Zoom events in small groups, we will transmit personal light codes, your individual personality codes for the new reality. These personal light codes are keys to powerful spiritual advancement. Your Merkaba will be updated as well. And the light that you can receive and that can work through you will increase exponentially. For more information about this healing circle, the energy exchange, and how to register, please email Katharina directly. Her email contact at katharinaadari.com. To apply for the healing circle, your personality codes on the 12th of April or the 26th of April, please send an email to Katharina Adari at katharinaadari.com. She will send you more information. You will find the link below the podcast. We are again happy to announce the next book from the Cosmic Mother by Martina Violetta Jung. The Cosmic Mother, Come to Me. The Sanakumara Speaks, Book 7. The Sanakumara, the Cosmic Mother, and Martina will show you how to reach the Cosmic Mother and her reality in the highest dimensions, with a further 22 portals of the Cosmic Mother and Martina's wealth of experience. Martina will also reveal to you the amazing secret of portal painting. You will find this book on Amazon.com. We are pleased to announce the next on-site event at NAMAS University. It will take place on April 26th and 27th, 2025, at Merrymount Nature Station in Quincy, Massachusetts, USA. Registration is now open at the ecotonene.com website, linked below. Your contact person is Donald Flynn. The 2-day program will enhance and deepen your awareness and personal connections to AMAYA, the ancestry spirits of nature, nature beings, galactic beings that share planet Earth, AMAYA. Please join us, teachers Charles Onwalata, Donald Flynn, and Deborah Flynn. Please join us next week. You must be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy and space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your likes and reviews will help more light souls to hear us.